Bayangkan setiap kali pelancong asing menjejakkan kaki ke Malaysia, mereka terdiam, mata terbeliak, dan hanya mampu berkata satu perkataan unbelievable. Kerana apa yang mereka jumpa di sini bukan sekadar negara biasa. Ini Malaysia, sebuah tanah yang penuh keajaiban, budaya yang kaya, rakyat yang penuh senyuman, dan kecantikan yang membuatkan dunia kagum. Mereka datang tanpa jangkaan, tetapi pulang dengan cerita yang luar biasa. Dari keindahan menara berkembar Petronas, kehangatan rakyat Malaysia yang ramah tanpa mengira bangsa atau agama, hinggalah makanan jalanan yang tidak ada tandingannya di dunia Maggi, goreng mamak jam 2 pagi, roti canai terbang, nasi lemak wangi santan yang mengubah mood hari. Semua itu buat mereka terasa seperti berada dalam dunia yang lain. Berkali-kali mereka berkata, kami sangka Malaysia negara kecil. Tapi hakikatnya Malaysia jauh lebih besar daripada yang kami bayangkan. Kerana di sini kecil bukan bermaksud lemah. Kecil tetapi berjiwa besar. Kecil tetapi mampu menawan dunia. Kecil tetapi mampu menyatukan bangsa-bangsa menjadi satu keluarga, satu hati, satu Malaysia. Jadi kepada semua rakyat Malaysia, bangunlah rasa bangga di dada. Jangan pernah rasa rendah diri. Jangan biarkan orang luar lebih menghargai negara ini daripada kita sendiri. Kalau pelancong asing pun boleh jatuh cinta pada Malaysia, hanya dalam beberapa hari, kenapa kita tidak mencintainya sepanjang hidup? Video ini bukan sekadar reaksi orang luar. Ini adalah cermin untuk kita melihat betapa bernilainya tanah air kita. Tanah yang menjadi rumah kepada 32 juta jiwa. Tanah yang diberkati dengan keamanan, keharmonian dan keindahan yang tidak ternilai. Selamat datang ke Malaysia, tanah yang membuat dunia terpesona. Bersiaplah, kerana selepas ini, Anda akan melihat Malaysia dari sudut yang tidak pernah Anda bayangkan. Dan Anda akan berkata dengan penuh bangga, inilah negara aku, inilah Malaysia aku.
Guys, now I'm at the most beautiful place in Malaysia and the most important place in Malaysia. I waited so long to come to this place. Nih guys, sekarang I datang ke tempatnya. Nah itu tempatnya paling terkenal, most famous in Malaysia. Excuse me?
Yeah.
The most famous place in Malaysia?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my god, so people go here special to come, like to Malaysia to come here.
Yes.
Yeah. You're from Kuala Lumpur. Orang Kuala Lumpur.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh,
I'm living in
Bangladesh.
Malaysia now.
Oh, how many years?
I'm living to 3 years in Malaysia.
Cakap bahasa Malaysia sikit-sikit?
Atau-
Boleh?
Betul.
Wah! Comel, comel sangat.
Apa itu?
Comel, cute.
Oh, cute dah.
Yeah,
Dah.
cute. You cute.
Saya tak cute, you cute lah.
Itu semacam mall. Semacam mall tapi ini rest area. Ada cafe, western food. Is this the most famous arena in Malaysia? Ya?
Yes.
Sebab apa?
Sebab besar.
Sebab besar ini.
Kawasan dia besar.
Kawasan ini besar. Saya semacam orang Melayu tak? Sikit. Okay, orang Malaysia, please comment lah sebab apa tempat ini sangat viral dan tempat paling bagus di Malaysia.
Why did you choose to come to Malaysia?
Because of Petronas Towers actually and Langkawi Sky Bridge. You know, when you dream and see some places, they seem to be quite unreachable. It was a nice feeling come there to see that.
Would you recommend your friends to come to Malaysia?
Yes, of course. And actually it's so digitalized because I came from Serbia. My eyes just all around because so many shops, so many
Rice building.
high-rise. Yes, high-rise.
Enjoy your travel.
Thank you.
I love Malaysia because the people are so welcoming. Like seriously, like they will not let you be lost in the street. You ask for directions, they will do anything to help you. Even if they see you kind of like, yo, what? They'll be like, hey, you're trying to go to KLCC? Oh, just take that bus right there. You know, they'll just jump in. Like the people were so welcoming. I didn't know what to expect out of Malaysia. Seriously, like I had no expectations at all when coming to Malaysia. I kind of thought it was going to be a little lower than what I thought, but it totally wasn't. Like.
Why did you move to Malaysia?
I moved here 7 years ago and I moved to study. I got my master's degree here.
What's one of the first reasons that made you fall in love with the country?
Definitely the people and the food. That's something like that everybody knows here. Like people are very nice and very friendly. I managed to make a lot of friends internationally and also with the locals.
What's your favorite dish in Malaysia?
It's too cliche if I say nasi lemak. I think it's nice, but I cannot have it for breakfast though. It's too heavy for me for breakfast, so lunch or dinner, or even as a snack, especially the small triangle one, then yes, I can have that and I like it.
I hated my life in Malaysia, and you know what? I'm not even ashamed because I literally didn't do anything to love it. I was just always at home, studying and working, and barely saw the world around me. But my student visa expires in just 3 months, so I'm setting myself 100 goals to finally love this place before I leave. And you will be here to
Kenapa saya orang Bosnia rasa Malaysia lebih best dari Europe? Tahu kenapa Malaysia adalah tempat terbaik untuk saya dan kepada ramai orang luar juga. Sini semua buka 24 jam. Lapar, jangan risau. Mama ada, nak pergi pasar raya, nak pergi Dobi, semua buka 24 jam. Cuba awak pergi dekat Europe. Lagilah pada musim salji, semua kedai akan tutup awal. Pada hari Ahad, semua kedai akan tutup. Cuaca, sepanjang tahun cuaca tropika. Tak perlu risau nak pergi baju tebal, nak pergi beli boots, nak pergi tukar tayak kereta. Sepanjang tahun boleh je pakai slipper. Ke cuti, saya rasa tak ada negara dalam dunia cuti banyak macam dekat Malaysia. Sebab tu dekat sini. Yang keempat, di shopping mall, di stesen minyak, di taman rekreasi, hampir semua tempat mesti akan ada surau. So tak perlu risau kita nak solat dekat mana. Dan lagi satu, orang Malaysia ni memang peramah. Diorang suka senyum dan tolong orang. Apa lagi kelebihan Malaysia yang saya terlepas pandang? Cuba.
College friends' first impression of Malaysia.
What did you know about Malaysia before coming here?
I heard about good food and beautiful weddings.
Petronas Towers and beautiful landscapes.
And what's your first impression of Malaysia?
Really friendly people.
Very safe and clean.
And what's unique about Malaysia?
I think we share the same impression that it's very multicultural.
I agree, and people are really friendly here.
Have you tried any Malaysian food and what do you think about it?
We tried some and it's very good. Everything is delicious.
We can't get enough, and my favorite one is nasi lemak for sure.
So would you come back to Malaysia?
I think the answer is obvious.
Definitely.
Very much yes.
Suka Malaysia kah?
Suka sangat.
Pernah tak pergi ke Malaysia?
Pernah.
Bolehkah ceritakan tujuan anda ketika pergi ke Malaysia?
Masa saya duduk kat Malaysia, saya pergi sebagai seorang pembantu bahasa Jepun, cikgu bahasa Jepun yang saya ajar dekat sekolah tinggi di Malaysia.
Pada masa di manakah anda tinggal di Malaysia?
Saya duduk di Terengganu.
We are back! We are back in Malaysia! We're so excited to be back! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop!
90 days, baby! 90
Woohoo! And of course, we are staying at our favourite hotel in KL, Traders, because of this stunning view we get to see from our hotel room.